Hi there. I'd like to give a special thank you to the sponsor of today's workshop, 12 Tips to Improve Your Dermaplaning Technique. Lumos is giving away a free device for one lucky attendee of today's workshop in a raffle drawing that we're going to do in just a couple of minutes. So here is the Lumohs Dermaplaning Blade handle. It's an innovative new dermaplaning blade handle that lights up on the end. It illuminates the areas that you're dermaplaning, and it provides enhanced visualization of the fine lines, vellus hair, and subtle skin irregularities. It's lightweight and easy to use. It's very durable, and the round grip design makes it ergonomically correct, reducing hand fatigue and strain. The handle I have is the number 3 handle. It's universal and compatible with most of the blades used for dermaplaning. You just turn the end and it lights up. It provides precision accuracy when dermaplaning the vellus hair, fine lines, and irregular facial contours. And as you can see, it provides enhanced visualization so that you never miss another vellus hair again. So stick around for a few moments after the raffle, because Lumos has a special limited time only offer for members of our group, and I'm going to tell you all about it. So the winner of today's workshop drawing is Dora Contulas. Congratulations, Dora. I'm going to be in touch with you about your brand new Lumos Dermaplaning Blade handle. So for those of you who were not quite as lucky, we still have a special offer for you. The Lumos device is just under $200, but they've put together an exclusive offer just for us. When you order your device and use coupon code DermaplaneVIP, you're going to receive 20% off of your order. And if you place an order this week, they're going to include a free battery pack containing 8 cartridges valued at $60. So when you place your order this week, use coupon code DermaplaneVIP, and you're going to get $20 off your device, as well as your free battery pack with 8 cartridges, which is valued at $60. So the total product package is valued at $260, but your cost is going to be just $180, just for being a part of this workshop and ordering this week. So visit www.lumos.com to order yours today.